If you want to speak in English, you don't need a lot of vocabulary. You don't need a lot of words. You need useful words. For example, drink, eat, walk, swim, sleep, write, read. If you know some useful words, inshallah, you will be able to talk in English. Yes. And you have to learn a simple structure. For example, I go, I eat, I drink, he drinks, he eats, you walk, you go, you write, you read. Okay, if you follow this routine, inshallah, after 5 or 6 months or 10 months, inshallah, you want to be a good speaker in English. You want to talk in English. Okay, that's right. Please follow more.